Hello and welcome to American Closet Systems. Today we are going to show you how to install a corner cabinet which has shelves above and a hanger below and has a bottom shelf. So basically this unit that you're seeing, we are going to try to show you how to put this unit together. So what we are going to do, we are going to start first disassemble this unit. And while we are disassembling, we introduce some of the details that's not seen. We will show you the details. And then we'll show you the parts. Then we put the whole thing together. So first we are going to take the clothes off. And we are going to take the rod. And the rod ends. Now we are going to take the adjustable shelves out. It's above that. There are 3 adjustable shelves, in this unit. Please remember that you have to take some of the clips off for the shelves to come up, be able to take it out. So that's, you have to tilt it and just also wanted to mention to you that it's always easier to cut the baseboard and then remove it, and then you can always cut the pieces and put it back. So it makes it 10 times easier to assemble a corner cabinet. Now we are going to get the 2 fixtures. There's one fixture from the top and there's one fixture in the middle. We are going to, and then there's a bottom shelf. So we are going to take the bottom shelf out. So the bottom shelf comes out. And you see in here, we have 3 toe kicks. One toe kick in here, a smaller one, and 2 of the same size. The toe kick on the back, the cups is facing towards you. This toe kick, the cups are facing towards the wall. You need a smaller screwdriver, length of it, to be able to get that out. And this toe kick is also, we're going to take it out and then show you the parts. And it has 2 cups. One side there is a screw on that other toe kick. And you can see that we are disassembling the toe kick. Let me show you the toe kick in here. This is the toe kick. But you want to put it in such a way that like this, so that the clean side, without showing the cups, is facing outside. And then, so these are the parts of the corner, the toe kicks. There are a total of 3 toe kicks, and every toe kick has a unit reference number. If you have a job, every panel is marked up, and the toe kicks have a unique number. Now we are going to take this middle fixture out. Please remember, at this point, it's very important that you have a second person definitely helping you. You have to hold the unit when that fixture comes out. You cannot just take it out, because that unit now is not going to be stable by itself. So you have to have somebody hold the unit sort of in place. So we're going to take the shelf out. So now we are going to take the middle fixture out. One person is going to be holding the unit, and one person is going to be unscrewing the quick disconnects. I will show you the quick disconnects that we use. It's a white plastic with a metal insert in it that acts like a cam lock. And we will show you how the fixture looks like. Again, we are holding, so this is the look of the fixtures. There are 6 of these cams in here that gets attached to the screws that we put on the side panels. Now we are going to get the fixture on the top. Again, when you unscrew it and the side panel we remove, you have to make sure that top shelf is supported. You cannot leave that top shelf unattended. It will not stay up there. It's going to break, and you're going to damage the parts, or sometimes it could be worse. You could hurt yourself. So somebody has to definitely support it. So 2 panels came out, and the last 2 cups we are unscrewing. So that was the last fixture that we are removing. So now we are going to assemble this unit back again one time. So as you can see, the unit says CLFS, corner fixed shelf, and it has a reference number of 1 in here. And then also, as you can see, the side panels, that's how you start. You put the side panels against the wall. Of course, you can put all your hardware on the side panels. You put the side panels against the wall. One of the side panels would have a filler on it. This side panel, you put a filler because once it goes against the wall, if there are any inconsistencies on the wall dimension, this filler would compensate for that. So the corner cabinet has a right panel, a wall panel, and then a left panel. So now we are going to start putting the first fixture fob. And again, the units has to be assembled in this position. You cannot assemble it on the floor and trying to lift it up. Do not do that. That would damage the parts. It would suddenly break on you, and it would not only would cause damage to floors and everything. Unfortunately, it could cause bodily damage. So you have to assemble this thing standing up. Now we are going to start putting the unit together. First thing we do, we put the panel that goes against the wall, we push it against the wall, and then we get the corner fixed shelf. We lock the corner fixed shelf to the panel that goes against the wall, and you must hold the shelf. You cannot let the shelf go. It's not going to support itself. It's going to crash. If you let it go, it's going to fall down. You put the left panel or right. You can do either one. Doesn't matter. But you secure the panel. You still must hold the corner shelf. And then you attach the last vertical or last panel. You attach it. Now, even at this stage, still you have to, one person has to hold the corner shelf. You cannot just let it be sitting by itself. So you install the other fixed shelf. The location of this fixed shelf depends on your design. In this particular design, we are putting some shelves on the top and hanger below. So we put it at this height. It could have been any height. It doesn't matter. It could have been 18 inches from the top, 18 inches from the bottom. It does not matter. Depending on your needs, you can change it also in the future. Now we are going to go ahead and then get the toe kicks and put the toe kicks that there are a total of 3 toe kicks. They are marked. So you may have 2 corner units on the job, so each of them have a unique number on them. Now, the very first toe kick goes close to the wall, and then you put the cups facing you. So the cups will be facing you, so it makes it easier to attach. And I will show it to you again, focus on the cup. And you see the cups are over there at the corner. The cups are facing us. The second long one, the cups would be facing the wall. We want to make sure that it looks nice and it doesn't, but it takes, you may need a smaller screwdriver, but most of the time you don't need it, but you may. And then the last one, again, we put the cups towards the inside, so again gives a finished look in the front. So you tighten up the cups. Now we are going to start putting the bottom shelf. As you can see, it's labeled CLBS, that's bottom shelf. Reference number, unit number 1. So we will put this in place. And then we will attach the bottom shelf to the toe kick by screws, 2-inch screws. We call it P2. So we are going to drill a hole on top of the corner shelf. We are going to put the 2-inch screw, attach it to the ledger that we put on the side panel, and then maybe one more hole we are going to put another place to screw to the toe kick so it secures the corner shelf. So we will be right now putting the screw, and a 2-inch screw, we will put in. Now we are going to put the adjustable shelves in place. So again, the adjustable shelves, they all have a label at the edge of them, and then it says CLAS and reference number of the unit. Each unit has a reference number, and it does not get repeated. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 throughout the job. We have the shelves in place, and now we are going to put the rods in place. We put the rod ends and the rods in place. Now, once this section is done, of course, we attach the corner shelves to the unit, but you will see to the walls. So we will kind of see what's going on to the left, what's going to the right. We assemble the units. As it is, the corner shelf is stable. So you can put the other units on the sides of it, and then you can use the brackets, just like the rest of the job, small brackets that we provide for you. With 1.25 inch screws, we can attach the brackets to the wall, and using 6x5 screws, we can attach it to the shelves. And of course, that brackets has to be placed at where the studs are. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you later.